Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Sunday and it's raining outside. Look, I'm gonna show you. So this is the outside. Raining Sunday. Yes. So anyway, we bought some flour yesterday because we did that on a beef. So we're gonna do pancake today. Oh, how is this? Doesn't work. Yes, pancake. Wait, I have the flour, butter, eggs. Okay, I will going to prepare all the things first. I will come back. I'm going to I will, since I don't have the milk, maybe I can add some of this. Let's see, para creamy. Since I don't have the here we are. This is the mixture, and then we can start now. I have butter here. It's really strong. I can put the butter now. Melt it. It's nice. Just wait. So okay, let's try. Since we don't have fork, so I'm gonna use spoon, and voila, I'm gonna try it. Bon appetit! So good. We have jam there, strawberry jam. I can put also just strawberry jam.